No hidden fees, no membership fees. Hers brings expert care straight to you with 100% online access to personalized treatments that put your goals first. Oh my.
That's awesome.
I mean, really? You're just gonna...
Wow.
Video.
Wow! This exit was a cluster! Because I don't know.
Sure, our CS2 or Counter-Strike 2 skins career is over with. Damn it! I just wanted some sauce on those ears. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel big time. Also,
Watch your kids!
You don't need to be talking to our kids that way.
I wasn't
okay?
talking to your kids, I was talking to you.
Excuse me?
I said watch your kids.
Yeah, you don't need to be talking
Okay,
to
you don't
me
need to
that
touch
way
my
either.
vehicle.
Excuse me. Just remember this is our neighborhood.
Okay.
Okay, and so you need to be the one who is slow and coming through
I was
very
slow.
carefully.
I was slow and careful. Your daughter, or whoever's daughter that was, darted out into the road.
Okay, but you don't need to speak to us like that. We are adults. We are
Okay.
watching our children. You also need to be aware. You don't need to speak to us that way. That was rude.
Okay, well
do you
that...
want me to? Do you want to give me your mother's phone number so I can call her? So
Why would I give you that?
so that she knows how rude you were to us?
Maybe don't have your children go out into the middle of the road.
Excuse me. This is our neighborhood.
It's
we
a
live
road.
here. We
People
live here.
still drive
This is
here.
not. This is not a through road.
Okay, I wasn't
Okay.
going here through a through street. I was here to pick up
I
something.
understand that, but our children play here.
Okay.
That's why we have a sign that says "Watch for children
Yeah,
playing."
and I was watching for children, and someone's child darted out into the road.
That's fine. You don't need to speak to us like you did.
I
okay?
can speak to you
no,
like
you do
that.
not
Yes,
need to
I
speak
can.
that way.
Yes, I
Then
can.
you are not welcome in this neighborhood.
I can be
again, if
wherever
you're-
I want. This is a free country. I have First Amendment rights, freedom of speech.
Okay, well, you are very rude.
Okay,
So,
good for you.
Good for me that you're rude? No.
Okay, what do you want me to do about it? I don't know
I
what
want
to
you
tell
to apologize.
No,
for the
I'm
way
not
that
going to
you were
apologize.
speaking.
No,
It
maybe
was
next time
very
watch your
rude.
children.
Alright, we about done here?
I don't know, are we? You're
On
the one who
your
came
way,
up to me.
Please, on your way.
I was careful. I was going 10 miles an hour, and someone's child was in the road.
Okay, talk to me again when you have your own children. Okay? Bye. Thank you.
Guys, watch out. Go.
Bye, Bud.
Video locked.
Using the left lane, turn left on South Market Street and then merge right one lane.
Garmin, save video. Fuck.
Emergency video.
Calling out that behavior from the people with the most, the people for whom democracy and capitalism have given the most. He seems to have used some of his rare public comments to call them out. He seems to be leaning very publicly, maybe even more publicly, into this fight to save democracy. He seems to have used some of his rare public comments to call them out. He seems to be leaning very publicly.
Dolly, man.
Dolly, the butt lady.
She's the butt lady.
If her name was Tammy, I might think it was my mom.
Well, she kind of does look like Tammy.
I've picked up Liam with a million. So she counted them all?
She had a little clicker. She'd click every time you pick it up.
And is she collecting because she's nuts, or is she trying to save the environment?
Guess she's just trying to clean the place up, man.
Oh, well, good for her then.
Not a
I thought you
smoker's
meant
job.
she had them like on display house or something.
What? She could be smoking fucking things.
Tell her
She could
to
be.
send them to me.
But actually that doesn't happen here because Goldie is like, I don't care if you have to wait, I'm calling and I'm reporting our daughter missing. An officer from St. Louis County showed up at their house in the northern part of St. Louis later that day and asked them all the standard questions. Name, physical description, age, all of it. But before the Coldens can even get around to telling the officer what had happened, you know, the important